different video and it's quite exciting. So recently I got sent these acne patches and they sent me 3 packs of them. I literally love them so much. They're like drug free, they're really good, they shrink your acne, but they're kind of expensive and you can get some that don't work very well or react to your skin. I'll show you a DIY on how to make your own. They obviously don't work as good, but they're pretty close, and I recommend if you do 2 nights of it, it'll be the same as doing 1 night. So it might take a bit longer, but they're hella cheap. You probably have most of the stuff at your house. If you have acne, you've definitely got it at your house. So let's get started. Put mine in a little, like, this is a compressed sheet mask packet, just so they look kind of similar, and I know that this is my acne patches because I get sent a lot. I have a lot of packaging laying around, but you kind of want this shiny material that is paper but isn't. It's got the shiny bit on it because paper will just stick to it and rip and it won't work. Have that. Get this clear stuff, which is just a clear plastic. You can find it on anything. A lot of eyeshadow packages have this as well. So I have got 3 little kind of things to show you how to make your patches, and then I'm going to show you what you can put in them. The first one, if you want to go hardcore, is this really thick tape. This has got no holes in it, so it won't let your skin breathe. It will only be sucking in the things that are on there. I would recommend with any tape that you put it on the back of your hand while you're doing your skincare routine, so the stickiness will come off of it, because you can get a little bit of a rashiness from the tape. So tape it like you would when you're doing your eyeshadow to get the stickiness off, but it will still stick on overnight. This one, I found this clear tape, and it actually has holes in it. If you can see this, there you go, it's got holes in it so your skin can breathe. My skin doesn't get red at all with this one, so if you can find them, go for it. But the one thing I don't recommend is using just sellotape, because it doesn't stick very well and it is prone for rashes. So try and get a different tape, maybe something like, definitely not duct tape as well, but anything like I don't know what this tape is called, I wish I had it with me. Plasters, you can use plasters for them. Again, these don't stick as good, but if you are really prone to sellotape or something like that, you can put the plaster on and then the sellotape over the top and it will stick really well. But plasters will just give it that extra layer of where it won't get all like weird and breathy and a bit rashy. What I done was I cut these in half, and then you can use 1/2 for one acne and 1/2 for the other, and all you need is 1 plaster. So this is probably my favourite way of doing it, just the sensitive side, and it's really great. So they are my things that you can use to make the patches. Now I'm going to show you what you put in the patches. This box is full of essential oils. I actually save these for when my skin is really bad, and I would highly recommend, of course, tea tree oil is a really great one. Lavender, if you have a rash and you don't want to touch it, that's great as well. Frankincense is great for acne. Rosemary is pretty good, but I wouldn't use it out of all the other ones, if you know what I mean. Lemon is really good for whitening and shrinking acne. Lastly, ylang ylang is really great for acne, rashes, bacterial problems. This one is a little bit different and not everyone's got these, but I thought I'd chuck them in for a little cool thing. H2O Night Repair. So this repairs your skin. This is meant to be a drink or like taking tablet, but you can empty these out and make a mask out of it and put it on, and it will repair that area overnight with the patch on it. So if you have anything that says Night Repair on it, go grab it, because it will do it a lot faster than any other acne thing. Speaking of masks, I have 3 here. If you have sensitive skin, I'd highly not recommend charcoal masks overnight. It really dries out your skin and damages them and gives them more rash, and you won't be happy in the morning. But you can use a little, I've got Miss Julie here, green enzyme face mask or a green tea face mask. You can get the green tea leaves on it as well. I've tried that. That works really freaking great. Like, really good. If you don't have any acne cream, it's amazing. You can mix it with cream. Oh, it's so good. So, but this is Miss Julie's freaking $200 green tea mask, but I just wanted to show you that you can use a little mask like this, nothing too drying. Next I have two here. Yes, I have one in this bag because it leaks a bit. This is a Simply Sensitive face mask with aloe vera. That would be great for acne as well. And this is a snake venom one, but they're really creamy. They don't rash me out, so they're probably not going to rash you out. And you just put a tiny bit on there and cover it up. I also have, if you have a rash or just really angry red acne that actually hasn't got anything in it, lavender cream. You can also use the pink cream from Ashatani, is great as well, but I just thought I'd change it up and show you a bit of a lavender cream. This again is great for stuff that actually hasn't got pus in it, it's just an angry spot, so this is great for that. Acne is red and annoying at you, it's obviously got some like septic-y bacterial stuff in it. This is probably the best one if you don't have an acne treatment or a mask. Go to Boots and get you this. You can put this anywhere on your body as well. Really, really great. It does actually have a numbing feeling to it, which is awesome as well. So go check that out. And then these two I got sent absolutely ages ago, but I love them for like little pimples. I use them like a lot. Yin Jang antibacterial cream, basically. This is really tingly, shrinking, and again antibacterial, which is what you want. This is from Amazon. And then the Bio Aqua Pure Skin Spot Acne Treatment is really great as well. So that is a DIY acne patch video. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. I just know that these are going around the internet quite a bit, and they are really great for an overnight treatment. If you have an acne like thing that works great and you know it works great, get some plasters and put it over the top to suck it in, go to sleep, and your acne will be significantly shrunk. Do that because I have seen these floating around a lot over the years. I will see you very, very soon, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.